Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to reset your Deutsche Bank app password quickly and securely. First, open the Deutsche Bank mobile app on your phone. Then, on the login screen, tap Forgot Credentials and then click on OK. After that, then click on Recover Your ID. Now, type your login and then tap Continue. Next, go ahead and you'll receive a verification code on your registered mobile number. Enter your code to confirm the identity. Go open your SMS and check for the mobile number. Now enter your new password. Make sure the new password is strong and secure. Confirm the password. Once done, go back to the login screen. You'll enter a login ID and your password. Now you'll be able to access your account. Avoid using the simple password like 1234 or your birth date. That's how you reset your Deutsche Bank app password. Subscribe for more quick and easy